Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English. And today we're going to see a new series of videos because I asked on Facebook on our fan page MateABC what kind of videos do you like me to do. It was algebra, either algebra or calculus. So it won calculus, so we'll be doing videos of calculus, integral and differential calculus. So let's get started. We will be working on the real numbers with the operations of addition and product. So one question is, what are the reals? What are the real numbers? So it is the union of these two sets. The first is the irrationals and the second is the rational. A lot of people will put the irrationals as the complement set of the rational numbers. So what are the rationals? The rational numbers are those who can be written as P divided by Q when P and Q are integer numbers and Q is different than 0. So these are the rational numbers. What kind of examples we can make? So it can be minus 7 divided by 5, minus 1/2, 2, 3/4, etc. So these are the irrationals. One example of the irrational numbers can be minus the square root of 7, minus the square root of 5 plus 1, square root of 3, and also it can be pi divided by, it can be pi or even e. So these can be examples of irrational numbers and these the rational. Watching the properties of the real numbers with these operations, the sum, the addition, or the product. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel MateABC English. Bye!